In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets from Apple Wallet to someone else. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have tickets, boarding passes, or whatever the like in your Apple Wallet, it is possible to share them with others or transfer them to another owner. All you have to do is open up the latest version of the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and find the boarding pass ticket or whatever the cheat that is that you want to transfer to another person. When you click on the ticket to open up its details, you should immediately recognize this Share Pass button I've highlighted in pink. You should see the details about the ticket on the top, and if you select Share Pass, you will get a prompt telling you that you can share it through message, mail, or more options. You can even airdrop if your friends are nearby. Select the option that best applies to you. As you can see on the screen, this is how it looks like if you are going to share it by email. And as long as you input the correct contact information of your friends, family, or whoever it is that you're transferring it to, they will be able to receive these tickets inside of your Apple Wallet, and they'll be able to access and use them as they want. After you do, you can still open up your Apple Wallet app to see them listed there and see the details after the transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer tickets from Apple Wallet to someone else. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.